Listen, if you're feeling lost or you're struggling to get consistent or you're thinking about quitting trading altogether, I get it. I've been there too. And I know there's nothing worse than putting in all this time, watching all of these videos, trying strategy after strategy, only to feel like you're going in circles. But before you walk away from trading, I think you need to hear this. Because the difference between traders who make it and between the traders who quit probably isn't what you think. So let's go to the office and we're going to talk about it. Before we do anything, you guys already know we've got to stop and get that coffee. So, iced coffee and then office.
Welcome to the office. Please place your order when you're ready.
Hi, could I just get a grande iced Americano, please?
Grande iced Americano, triple shot.
Just double, please.
Amazing. That was everything for today?
Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
When you're ready.
Thank you. Oh, first sip of the day always hits different. Oh, how did you get up there? All right, come on. Let's get into it. So the truth is, most traders don't fail because they're not smart enough or they haven't worked hard enough. They typically fail because they don't actually have a process. They jump from one strategy to another, tweaking things constantly, chasing wins, but guess what? They never actually review their losses. And you know, we've all been there. They get emotional, they start revenge trading, they over leverage, and before you know it, their account is gone. And then, you know, this is what they'll tell themselves, maybe trading isn't for me. But let me tell you something. Every trader, including the ones that are making actual serious money today, at some point, they have absolutely felt these emotions. So what's the difference? Well, they pushed through. They took a step back, they fixed what wasn't working, and came back to the markets even stronger with an actual winning mindset. So how do you actually do that? Well, let's break it down. All right, so first, you actually need a strategy and you have to stick to it. Now, most traders fail because they are switching through strategies way too soon. They take 5 losing trades and then they decide, oh, this doesn't work, let me go try that other shiny object and see if that works. But the reality is every single strategy goes through drawdown periods. So instead of strategy hopping, commit to actually executing the same plan over at least 50 to 100 to even 150 plus trades. And if you haven't done that, how can you actually even know if the strategy really works? You're just guessing that it doesn't work, what, because you took a handful of trades? That's not how this works. Now, the second biggest point is track absolutely everything. Trading is all about probability, and if you're not journaling your trades, you're literally just flying blind. For example, let's say if you this week come onto the charts and you take 20 trades. If you do not review them trades, how do you know if you are actually following your rules to know the outcome is actually working? Like, how do you know if you took good setups or you just got lucky on a few wins? Every trade, win or loss, has absolutely valuable data in the beginning. And the only way to improve is to study your own performance and make the adjustments where you know they are now needed. And third is risk management is absolutely everything. If you guys are risking 10 to 20% of your account per trade, you are not trading. I promise you, you're gambling. A couple of losses in the row, and guess what? You're absolutely out of the game. You are done. Successful traders protect their capital at absolutely all costs so they can keep taking high probability trades. And if you do this right, a few losses in a row shouldn't faze you at all. It's just part of trading. And that's how you actually stay in the game long enough to actually see the results and the good results that can come with consistent trading. And guess what? Trust me, I absolutely know what it's like to want to give up in trading. I remember when I was literally losing trade after trade after trade, and I was just so frustrated and just felt like I just couldn't break through. And I started doubting absolutely everything. And I thought, you know, maybe I'm just not meant to be a trader. Maybe I'm meant to do something else, something more normal. But guess what? Instead of quitting, I decided to do one thing. And that was actually track my trades properly and really treat this like a business, not a hobby. And now that I had that data, when I would go back through my journal, I realized something. It wasn't necessary that my strategy was the problem. It was hard to admit, but it was actually me. I was over trading, I was breaking my rules, I was exiting out too early of the good trades purely out of fear. Everything you guys can think of that you think you're just doing wrong on your own, I promise you, I have done it, and all of the other profitable traders have done it as well. But once I did actually fix these things without changing my strategy or trying to jump for something else, my results completely turned around. And did this happen overnight? Of course not. It takes a long time to refine your losses, refine what you're doing wrong. But I promise you guys, if you actually start trying to find out what you are doing wrong in the first place, you will get down that road a lot quicker than what it took me. I didn't make any money in trading for the first 2+ years because I was literally just going down this whole entire rabbit hole of just loss after loss after loss and just complaining and thinking everyone else or everything else was the problem. But actually, like I say, it was me, and I had to take this time to figure out what I was doing wrong, and if I really wanted to do this properly, which I absolutely did, let me just take a break, have a refresh, and let's do things the right way. Now, a lot of traders tell themselves things that keep them stuck. Now, let's remove some of these things from your guys' mindset and uncover some of the biggest lies that you're probably telling yourself. I need a better strategy. Sometimes, but for the most part, you need discipline and consistency with one that you actually like and makes the most sense to you. I don't have enough money to trade. Again, not true. Start small. Focus on consistency and then use funding firms such as TopStep. This is a big one. I need to trade more to make more. Absolutely far from the truth. Over trading is what kills traders. Quality over quantity. So if you want to be a successful trader, like I said earlier, you need to actually treat trading like the business that it is. And guess what? A real business tracks their performance. So why aren't you tracking your trades? A real business has expenses, which are your trading losses. So why are you expecting to win every single trade? And guess what? A real business doesn't just scale overnight. So why do you think all of a sudden you're going to make 6 figures in the next couple of months? It takes time. And if you start seeing trading as a long-term process instead of a short-term gamble, your entire approach to the financial markets will change. And you guys have to remember, you are hopefully here to build a long-term career in the financial markets. You're not here just to make money today by looking at a couple of candles on a screen. You guys are here to build an actual career that you're going to be doing for hopefully the next 20, 30, 40 plus 50+ years, however long you want. But this is a career and this is not a get rich quick scheme. So if you guys are feeling like you are lost in trading, here's what I want you to do next. Actually commit to tracking your at least next 50 trades properly. Stick to just one strategy and focus on good risk management. And surround yourself with serious traders, not the people who are pretending that you're going to get rich quick. And if you do want more personal approach to your support, and if you want to be in a place where you're surrounded by good traders who are always looking to improve, the Traders Club is where I live stream every single day, share all of our trades, market analysis for every single session, and we talk strategy, psychology, monthly mentoring sessions, and help each other, more importantly, as a community, get better every single day. So I'll leave a link below. You guys are more than welcome to check it out. If not, keep joining the free YouTube live streams where I go live here on YouTube every single day for absolutely free. So I hope this video has helped you guys. Let me know in the comments below what has been your biggest trading struggle, and more importantly, how are you guys actually gonna overcome it? And I will get back to every single one of you guys. So let's share some ideas below. And if not, I'll see you guys in the next YouTube video or on the next live stream. I hope this helped. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.